Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to get back Instagram account after deleting permanently using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your browser. So whatever browser that you are using, and search for instagram.com/support. Okay, so after you've done that, you want to click on the text box here at the upper part of your screen and search for recover account. So just go ahead and click on search, and now click on log into Instagram. So once you've done that, just go ahead and scroll down until you see this box. Was this helpful? So just go ahead and click on no, click on other. So here at the text box, just go ahead and and type your problem, okay, or your concern. So just go ahead and type that you want to get back your Instagram account because you want to use it again. Okay, so just go ahead and do that, and after your message, don't forget to put your username. Okay, so make sure that the username is the username of the Instagram account that you want to recover. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.